Are you ready to grill indoors without smoke and enjoy delicious barbecue flavors all year round? Introducing the best smokeless electric indoor grills of 2025. Whether you're craving juicy burgers, sizzling steaks, or perfectly grilled veggies, these smokeless indoor grills let you cook effortlessly in your kitchen. Subscribe our channel if you like more tech and electronics products. At number 1, we have Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill with Viewing Window. Grill your favorite foods year-round in any weather with this Hamilton Beach Indoor Grill. There's no need for a bulky, time-consuming outdoor grill that needs propane, charcoal, or lighter fluid to heat up. The high searing heat of 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius locks in juices and flavors to provide perfect grilling results for everything you sear on this electric grill, from steak and burgers to pork chops and fish fillets. This indoor grill with hood comes with a convenient window and lid, lets you watch food cook while keeping heat inside. The non-stick grilling plate keeps food from sticking to this indoor electric grill as you cook. The tray fits right underneath the cooking surface, which directs drips into the tray as you grill, catching juices before they spill. At number 2, we have George Foreman 4-serving removable plate electric grill and panini press. There's a lot to love about this non-stick coating. It's 3x superscript 1 more durable, easy to clean, and removes the need for butter and oil. The improved heating elements preheat 35% faster to get you from plug-in to plate in record time. Easy cleanup is essential, and that's what the removable grill plates are all about. The 60-square-inch grill is the most popular George Foreman grill, with space for a tasty main course for 4, or a complete meal with veggies and other sides. The sloped grilling surface drains up to 42% of fat, making for light, healthy cooking of all your favorite meats. This is the must-have grill for couples or small families who want easy, delicious meals. At number 3, we have Ninja Foodi 4QT 5-in-1 Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. The grill that sears, sizzles, and air fry crisps. Indoor grill and air fryer. Uses 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air to perfectly cook or char grill your food to your desired doneness on the grill. Great for delicious, char-grilled marks and flavors. With the BTU cooking power of an outdoor grill, it brings outdoor grill flavors conveniently to your countertop any day of the year. Transform foods from frozen to perfectly char-grilled in under 25 minutes. With unique cyclonic grilling technology, 500F rapid cyclonic air circulates around food for amazing surround searing, while the 500F high-density grill grate gives you delicious char-grilled marks and flavor virtually smoke-free. It's also an air fry crisper, allowing you to enjoy guilt-free fried food. At number 4, we have Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill with Non-Stick Cooking Surface. This grill produces less smoke than traditional indoor grills, so you can enjoy perfectly grilled food year-round without having to brave the cold weather. The temperature on this grill varies by heat zone, so you can cook anything and everything just the way you like. With an extra-large cooking surface, you can cook multiple foods at the same time for a complete meal. Non-stick surface ensures meals will slide off the grill and onto your plate with ease. Disassembles for easy cleaning. Grill top and non-stick water tray are removable and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is as easy as grilling. No dangerous fumes, cool touch handles, and overheat auto shutoff protection offer added safety so you can cook without worry. 1120 watts and 120 volts. At number 5, we have Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. This hardworking extra-large griddle features a 1500-watt heating system, cool touch handles and a base with a built-in ledge with backstop for easy pancake flipping. The removable probe with easy-to-use dial allows for precise temperature control. The unique ceramic non-stick coating is 8 times more durable and cooks up to 30% faster than standard non-stick coatings. It's reinforced with titanium for outstanding strength and scratch resistance. This griddle's healthy eco-coating contains no harmful chemicals like lead and cadmium. Its titanium ceramic coating offers superior food release, making this a true non-stick surface. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles and juicers. At number 6 we have George Foreman Indoor Outdoor Electric Patio Grill. There's a lot to love about this non-stick coating, It's durable, easy to clean, and removes the need for butter and oil. Don't let the weather keep you from the glory of grilling. The easy-to-remove stand takes you from patio to countertop in no time. Perfect heat is the secret ingredient. The temperature probe lets you choose from 5 heat settings to get great results on any kind of food. Grill endless mealtime options including steak, fish, veggies, fruit, and even dessert. Your landlord will love this grill just as much as you do. The fully electric system gives you high-quality grilling with no charcoal, no propane, and no flare-ups. Great for gatherings, serve up to 15 people. At number 7, we have T-fal OptiGrill XL Electric Indoor Grill. Precision grilling with automatic thickness measurement and cooking adjustment for perfect results from rare to well done. Intelligent sensors adapt to various food types, ensuring consistent doneness every time. Effortlessly grill burgers, poultry, fish, sandwiches, and more with pre-programmed settings. Simply select the food type, and the OptiGrill XL adjusts temperature and cooking time for optimal results. Not just an indoor grill, but also a panini press, sandwich maker, and griddle. The OptiGrill XL offers endless meal options, from perfectly seared steaks to crispy grilled vegetables and gourmet sandwiches. Inclined plates and juice tray facilitate up to 44% fat removal, based on a 20% fat burger. With PTFA Nonstick, removable plates and juice tray are dishwasher safe for quick and convenient. At number 8, we have Elite Gourmet EMG 980B Smokeless Electric Tabletop Grill Nonstick. Enjoy all the fun of an outdoor barbecue in the comfort of your home with our premium indoor electric grill and prepare the most mouth-watering meals for your family. Now you can throw your steaks, your wife's veggies, your son's ribs, and thanks to its reliable nonstick coating, you'll never have to deal with stuck food again. Plus, there's a removable 120V/1300W thermostat control with 5 adjustable settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Our reliable indoor grill features a circular heating element that allows it to heat up faster and more evenly, so you can cook everything to perfection. We know that cleaning your grill can be extremely frustrating. That's why we've made sure that all parts of our electric grill are detachable and dishwasher safe. At number 9, we have Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill. 14-foot electric grill. From char-grilled strip steaks to sizzling fajita veggies, unlock delicious flavors any time of the day using the interchangeable grill and griddle plates. Reach temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for high heat grilling and searing, and get better char-grilled marks * right from your kitchen. Just even, edge-to-edge heating for perfectly cooked dishes every time. The perforated mesh lid helps to control smoke in your kitchen and reduce splatter. The 14-foot grill and griddle plates fit a half-dozen burgers and pancakes to feed a family of 4 to 6 people. The removable grill and griddle plates are non-stick and easy to clean, and the perforated mesh lid is detachable and dishwasher safe. At number 10, we have Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle. With 2 reversible cooking plates that are griddle smooth on one side and ridged for grilling on the other, you can use as a full indoor grill, a full griddle, or as a half-electric griddle and half-grill simultaneously. From cooking eggs and sausage on the griddle for breakfast to making quesadillas for lunch and grilling steak and asparagus for dinner, this electric grill and electric griddle combo does it all. The indoor electric grill is powered by 1400 watts and has 2 separate cooking zones, each with its own independent heat controls with adjustable temperature up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The double-sided cooking plates are dishwasher safe and the drip tray can go in the top rack of the dishwasher. At number 11, we have AORAN Indoor Grills Electric Smokeless. Imagine grilling juicy steaks, perfectly searing fish, or sautéing colorful vegetables, all in the comfort of your kitchen. Our indoor smokeless electric grill offers the flexibility to cook a variety of dishes, making every meal an exciting culinary adventure. Enjoy the freedom of multiple adjustable heat settings that allow you to achieve precise cooking results. Whether you prefer a quick sear or a slow grill, this grill provides stable heat for perfectly cooked meals, ensuring you impress your family and friends every time. Enjoy the freedom of multiple adjustable heat settings that allow you to achieve precise cooking results. Whether you prefer a quick sear or a slow grill, this grill provides stable heat for perfectly cooked meals, ensuring you impress your family and friends every time. At number 12, we have Chefman XL Electric Griddle with removable temperature control. The 10 by 20-inch indoor grill provides plenty of space to cook up big batches for a crowd or a complete meal. Adjustable temperature control from 200 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit allows for versatile cooking for simply warming foods, frying breakfast favorites, or cooking meat. Cook healthier meals with the drip tray to collect excess oil and grease, plus the non-stick electric grill surface reduces the need for added cooking oils. The Griddle grill cooktop is fully immersible and dishwasher safe. Simply remove the temperature control prior to washing. Quickly and conveniently add cooking space to your kitchen for large family dinners or holiday gatherings. At number 13, we have Pukomc electric indoor grill. Comes with a range of cooking options, including grilling, roasting, and even frying, which means you can cook a wide range of dishes, from burgers and hot dogs to shrimps and vegetables. The indoor smokeless grill for kitchen comes with a large non-stick grilling plate 16 by 9 inch, making it great for parties and family fun with delicious food. With 1500 watts power, smokeless indoor grill effortlessly melts cheese, cook up meats, veggies, and seafood just in minutes. This indoor grill's electric smokeless is perfect for small families, couples, and individuals living alone. It comes with 3 mini raclette pans, providing enough space for grilling. The non-stick coating grill plate can be separated from the main body of the raclette table grill, making it convenient for cleaning and drying after use.